Okay, we're checking out from this nice cozy farmhouse. Gonna off the light. It's now about 6:20. We're going for dinner. Look at when you're in a small town. This is how it's like. Nobody. This is an onsen town. So on all these gutters, right? You can see hot water, spring water flowing into the stream and the drains here. So during winter, the smoke, spewing out from all the drains, and I can smell the sulfur. Okay, so we're going into the sashimi restaurant here. It's very authentic. Let's try out, man. Hello. Hello. Okay. Sashimi in Japan is always the best.